Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another entry for the Red Birthday Challenge, and this comes from none other than Miss Martha, who goes by Nalinka Sims here on the YT, and she got it in January the 29th, if you can see that. So she is in within the time frame, and even though this is February getting it, so not any of her fault. So I'm going to actually do my reveal on February the 15th, that weekend, Valentine's, well, that Friday. I will do it then, and after Valentine's Day, yes, the 15th, because I still have some coming in. So the post office have been just a little bit late. So, and I know she's been sick, and she had snow and a lot of stuff. So Martha, I just thank you so much for getting this to me. I know you've been through a lot, and you was worried, but you got it in, and you know, it's no stress. You know, I didn't want you to stress out. I want you to take care of yourself. She's a beautiful woman of God and an awesome crafter. You know, I will have her information below. Oh, she got numbers on them. She's got a little, my color in there, red. So I am going to go in order. I love how she does it. She did this on something else she sent me before. I love that. Alright, so let's follow how she has them sent. So this one, look at that nice pretty red flower that she made, and it has a number 1 on it in this envelope, and that's, ooh, look at that image. Oh wow, she's a wonderful card maker, as you can see. So this red, it's got some glitter, like glitter, like Wink Stella on it. Look at those pearlized leaves and all that shimmer on the dress and the headband. She's got some pearls on it. Beautiful image. Nice. Look at that dye she used. Very pretty, intricate. And she says, warmest wishes on your birthday. I hope you had a beautiful birthday. Oh, excuse me. I hope your birthday was a fabulous one. I have enjoyed your videos long before I became a YouTuber. Your knowledge of crafts is important, and your biblical astuteness is inspirational. Keep up the good work. Hugs, Martha. So thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I remember she joined us when we did our Prima Doll collab. Thank you, thank you. And so this is number 2. Thank you for that beautiful card. And let's open this up. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at that. This red, if you wish you could really see the shimmer in it. I know it's picking it up some, but it is really nice shimmer in there. And then she's got these beautiful red flowers with these flat back pearls on it. And it says, this is her trading card, and it says, strong woman is what she named it. And guess what? This is, and she's got her email and stuff on it, and guess what? It opens up. Go ahead, look at you, Miss Thing. Fancy like that. So she's got the 3 flowers in here as well, and it says, be the kind of woman, and that when her feet hit the floor each morning, the devil says, oh crap, she's up. Where did you get that sound? I like that. I hadn't seen that one before. The image and the sentiment, I like that. Both of those. That is too cute. And she's got a shimmer on the purse, around the collar, and on her hat. Go ahead. I like that. He says, oh crap, she's up. Hey, that is the type of woman to be. Ooh, number 3. Look at my MD. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. So as you can see, she's got this beautiful image. She's got sparkle on the flower on the hat. Got this beautiful pearl necklace, and got some sparkle on her shirt, and on her blouse, and on her necklace. And look at those 2 beautiful flowers in the background. And this is embossed in the background on the silver paper with some bling. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. And she's got a little pocket on the back. So let's open that up. So this should have her info on it. So her style is fancy. Her favorite tools is dyes. Her colors most, but not pink. Okay, I feel you on that. Pink is a color I struggle with. I only became tolerated when I became a Mary Kay consultant before years ago, because I had to have pink. Um, but before then, oh my God, I hated pink. I can tolerate it now, but I'm not really a pink fan. And your birthday is the same day as my aunt. So I know you guys have the same issue because you're a leap year baby. And thank you for having your address and everything up here for me. I appreciate that. Very nicely done. Love that. Very pretty. Thank you so much. And then got that little stamp right here. Ooh, where did you get all these images from? Look at this. Ah, it's an easel card. So, and this is on dimension, if you can see that. It's got several layers right here. Nicely colored. And she's got some shimmer up there, some Winkle Stella. Look at that flower right there. Got that rose, which is like a fabric, like a ribbon rose. Very pretty. And then, oh, she's got right here, I'm stamped with God's love, Martha. Oh, I love that. So she's got a nice easel. Look at that. Well, you probably can't see it from the angle, but look, boom, I knocked it down. But it does stand. Like that. And then number 5, last but not least, nice box. Sorry I didn't make it out to get some fancy candy. Oh, you're fine. I know you guys had snow. Oh, look at this purse. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look, I love this red paper. Oh, it's so pretty. And look at that beautiful flower with a bling on it. It's got a Velcro closure. And look, oops, I'm all thumbs today. Then it crisscrosses on the inside. Hey, hey, hey. And got your candy bars ready here. Beautiful, thank you so much. Got the yummies right in there. Martha, thank you so much, and I'm so glad that you were able to participate. And I hope you're feeling better. Thank you for all of my wonderful, wonderful goodies. So, Martha, I think you're number 26. So, thank you so much. And I will be having the giveaway on the 15th because I will be back in town. And then that way all the videos should be up. And I want to make sure I do another check at the post office since I was having some problems with them getting my stuff on time, getting people's stuff to me. And but anyway, thank you again, and thanks for liking, watching, subscribe, and stay tuned for the winner. And I dare you to be blessed, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.